Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show. This podcast is short, fun, and jam-packed with good ideas that you can start using right away.
Welcome to another episode. I am your co-host, Ellen, along with my co-host.
It is Lou. Are we having fun?
We're having so much fun.
Good.
Yay! You know what? Having fun can make you more efficient and more productive. Did you know that?
Even if it's not productive or efficient, it's still fun.
It's still fun.
At the end of the day, it's still fun. You're a winner. Woo!
You're a winner. And you're a winner. Yeah. Make things more fun. I mean, honestly, that's the whole point of this episode. Make things fun to A, get them done, and B, probably be more efficient at them. So,
yeah.
I'm
just thinking, define fun. What makes it fun for you?
What makes it fun?
Give me an example.
Okay, well, here's this weird one, but when after dinner, and we've got extra food, quote unquote extra food, so leftovers, and I got to get it out of the pan and into Tupperware or whatever. I play a game where I try and make sure, nothing spills. Like I'm like a little kid, here, take the spoon and take the beans out of the pot and put them in the bowl and don't spill anything. So I do that. And it cracks me up because I'm like, okay, if I was teaching a kid to do this, this is how I would do it. And yes, it's really, really stupid.
Okay, that's what I wonder if our ideas of fun were the same. Because one time when the kids were little, and I noticed, they have like terry cloth little onesies,
Yeah.
And so I put a little pledge on the floor, and I just slide them across, back and forth, back and forth. They're laughing and having a blast. Oh, that was so fun. And the floors got clean. It was efficiency, and it was fun in a nutshell. And no one got really hurt. Just
Define really.
Minor bumps and bruises. Yeah.
So, what would be really efficient with that whole thing is get some onesies now, and you could cover a lot more territory because, they're grown. They're going to cover a lot more territory in a short amount of time.
Well, I went the other way. Now I wash the car naked, and I feel like free as a bird. And the goal is to not get seen. So I'm hiding behind this one when they walk by. And then I'm out, the excitement of, will they see me? Will they not see me? Am I going to jail
get arrested?
Today? Is today the day? So far, not once have I been arrested. And the car, clean as a whistle. And I mean that. Because I work fast.
Okay, did not see that one coming. But the point is, you're making it fun. It's a game. So that is one of the ways to be more efficient. Make it into a game.
And there is in something, as I've learned as a coach and even doing workshops, when you add an element of competitiveness to something, all of a sudden what was once like, it becomes fun. And it increases your efficiency. So it kind of has the dual effect of I'm enjoying it and I'm doing it faster than I would have if I didn't have the incentive to try and beat someone or even myself.
Oh, yeah. We do that with pulling weeds. Like, who can pull the most weeds in 10 minutes? And it is a cutthroat competition, and it's fun. We're laughing the whole time. Does this count for a weed or not? And, yeah.
Have you tried it naked?
No.
Me neither.
No.
That's where I draw the line. Where I have to bend over.
There's so many things wrong with that. I can't. No. Sorry, listeners, for any images that.
And I'm only half kidding.
Okay.
It was raining one time, and anyway.
I don't.
I know. I'm just
save it for the police.
Todd.
So another way that you can be efficient and make things fun is to combine them with something. Combine something you don't like to do with something you do like to do. The classic example is, I don't like to get on the elliptical and spend half an hour doing that. Well, the only time when you're on the elliptical, you can watch your favorite TV show. That's combining, I hate to say guilty pleasure, but it's combining with something you really enjoy with something you don't enjoy. So, that makes it fun.
Yeah, our gym, the the TVs are glitchy where the treadmills are, and I complained, and they're like, "What is your problem? Everyone uses the phone." I'm like, "I don't. I watch TV, and I want it to work. Is that too much to ask? I'm walking here, and
Working out.
yeah, but they didn't see it that way. I have to find a new gym.
Yeah, you do. Or why don't you just like go out and walk? I mean, where you live, you should walk.
I do, and it
Yeah.
combines photography with nudism. And
No.
I'm kidding. I don't walk naked anymore.
No. Oh my God. No, I mean we do that when I walk with my friend. We'll pick a color and we look for things that are that color. How many red things can we see in 4 miles?
Probably a lot,
Probably a lot. So it's a
Yeah.
game.
and half of them are weeds. So pull them out.
There you go. There you go. So think of the things that you don't like to do and figure out a way to make them more fun. Don't listen to Lee. Please wear clothes for most of them. And be back with us again next week for another episode.